In this video, I will be solving the max triple problem of the Array-1 section. Here is the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright, now let's read the problem statement and use the examples to understand it. Given an array of ints of odd length, look at the first, last and the middle values in the array and return the largest. The array length will be at least 1. So in the maxTriple method, we will be given an integer array nums, which will be having an odd length. We are supposed to fetch the first, middle and last values from the given array and then calculate the largest out of these three values and return the largest value back. And it's guaranteed that the length of the array will be at least 1. In example 1, 1 is the first element, 2 is the middle element and 3 is the last element. Here the largest value out of these is 3, hence 3 is being returned. In the second case or second example, the largest value is 5 for first, last and middle elements, hence 5 is being returned. In the third example, out of first, middle and last elements, the largest value is first element, that is 5, hence again 5 is being returned. We can also try to imagine an scenario for length of one element, length of array having one element, and when array contains more than 3 elements such as 7 elements, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In case we are getting an array having length as 1, so this only is the first, middle as well as the last element for this array. For such cases, we can straight away return the nums of 0, or that is the first element itself. Else, in case we are supposed to have, since we are supposed to have odd lengths, so we will be having lengths such as 3 5 7 and so on. In such cases, we can go ahead and calculate the first, middle and last element, then find out their max and return back that element. Let's write the logic now. First of all, we can store the length of the array in a variable such as nums, such as length. Now if length of our nums array is equal to 1, we can straight away return back the first element only. Else, now we are supposed to find the first, middle and last element. How to do that? The first element of any array is always array of 0. Last element is always array of its length minus 1. And mid element, in unique mid element in case of array having odd length, is nums of len by 2. So until here we have determined all the values. Now we are just left to calculate the max out of these three and return it back. So either we can make use of if else, or we can make use of the math.max function. Let's make use of the math.max function here. Return math.max. How can we use math.max to find maximum of 3 elements? We first write the first element and then again use math.max to find the maximum out of mid and last. The final result of this line would give us the maximum of out of these 3 elements. Now let's run the test cases and verify. Yes, all of them pass. Now let me submit this code on the platform and then we'll push it on GitHub. Yes, all correct. Copy. GLG one commit to make, G push, and verify the code has been uploaded. Done.